let's start this off. All right, we got the Fuji, just because it was the easiest one to grab. And let's see, it's in a Fuji Espree with VA light tubing, Val light tubing. I don't know how they said it. It is not a 10-speed. It is actually a 12-speed. I aired up these tires probably a month ago. Front one's flat. We're still holding air, but these gumball tires are looking sick. I hate gumball tires. I hate how they end up looking like this if they sit too long. This is obviously not the original seat. It's got chunks torn out of the top, springer, replace that. The foam grips definitely need replacing. Got a bunch of cracking on them. Foam might have been factory for this bike. Was that era, so I don't know the exact age of this bike yet. I'll have to figure that out. Let's see what kind of identifying marks I got. It's a Suntour AR rear derailleur. Same with the front derailleur. Nothing on the dropout. No marking on the head tube. Well, let's get the sticker from the bike shop that sold it. Let's see what that was. Byron's Bicycle and Ski in Glenwood, Illinois. I wonder if they still exist. All right. Give the bike a flip. Oh, I'm too close. That's not good. All right, a little bit of repositioning, and now let's see if we can rotate the bike. Take a look at the bottom bracket. No. Don't like having low ceilings. Let's see, what else do we see about this bike? Well, whoever put the front wheel on last did not know how to use quick releases. So if your quick release is flipped like this, where it's curved out, this is not installed correctly. This is just somebody that's spun the quick release instead of using the cam action like they should. Yeah, that's not how quick release works. But hey, we got the wheel off. All right, now let's see if I can rotate up. Ooh. Yeah. Low ceilings in my basement suck. Let's see here. All right, so we do have a serial number on the bottom bracket. Last couple digits are a little hard to read, but we'll see if that can get us the year that this bicycle was built. All right, so the serial number and the internet, I've determined that this bike was manufactured in May of 1983. Oh, I'm gonna break that light. Let's get this front wheel back on the proper way. as long as this bike has been sitting, the wheels actually feel fairly smooth. Front brake needs to be rebalanced. The cable feels alright. Rear brake feels alright. These are old school friction shifters. Cable movement feels alright. Gets into the high and low gears just fine. The front derailleur shifter is not holding. Overall, the cables feel alright. Pedals are smooth enough. So the plan is new tires, new seat. Probably going to wrap the bars in tape and yeah, give it a general tune-up and see how she rides. Once you know it, I forgot to get the size of the Fuji Espree. Well, let's take a look. See here. That is pretty close to being 23 center to top. Go center to center, we're looking at about 22 and a half. So another pretty big bike.